Making sense of decimal division. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of decimals. Specifically, we're going to learn about dividing decimals by whole numbers. This is an essential topic to grasp because it will allow you to understand more complex calculations and situations where decimals are involved. Before we start dividing, let's first remind ourselves about what decimals and whole numbers are. A decimal is a number that has a part smaller than 1, separated by a decimal point. For example, 0.75, 3.14, or 5.6 are decimals. A whole number, on the other hand, has no decimal part. It is a complete number without fractions. For instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, are all whole numbers. Dividing decimals by whole numbers isn't as daunting as it may sound. When we divide a decimal by a whole number, we're essentially sharing the decimal value into a certain number of equal parts. For example, if you divide 2.5 by 5, it's like sharing 2.5 equally among 5 people. The process is similar to regular division, you just need to keep track of the decimal point. Now, let's break down the process step by step. 1. Set up the problem as you would any other division problem. The decimal number is the dividend, the number to be divided, and the whole number is the divisor, the number you're dividing by. 2. Divide as if there is no decimal point, but remember where it is. 3. Place the decimal point in the quotient, the answer, directly above where it is in the dividend. For example, if we're dividing 2.5 by 5, we set it up as 2.5 divided by 5. Then, we divide as if there is no decimal point. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Finally, we put the decimal point in the answer, in line with the dividend, to get our answer, 0.5. And that's it. That's how you divide decimals by whole numbers. The key is to not let the decimal point intimidate you. It's just a marker and doesn't change the basic process of division. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has made the concept of dividing decimals by whole numbers clearer for you. Remember, like any other skill, mastering this requires practice. So, don't shy away from attempting some problems on your own. We'll see you in our next video where we'll continue our journey with decimals. Until then, happy learning!